Hi guys and welcome to the page. Now on the 26th of May, a brand new product launches called Super Affiliate AI. Now I have the best bonus that you're going to find for that product. Now in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my bonuses. I'm going to tell you about my bonuses. I'm going to show you about a competition I'm running and I'm going to show you my giveaways. Then I will have a full review and everything else on the 26th of May for this product. So make sure that you watch out for that. I'm going to be holding a webinar. Now, for the webinar, make sure that you join. Get your place here. There's a button there. Just click there, join. On the 26th of May, 10 AM Eastern, you will be able to see this in action. And this is a super and amazing product. Now, if you purchase on the webinar, you better claim my bonuses. Now, if you join the webinar, just for joining the webinar, you're going to get 2 free gifts. So the May 2026 Affiliate Goldmine Database, plus the Affiliate Niche Profit Scanner app. So you'll get those 2 just for joining the webinar, okay? Don't have to buy anything, just join the webinar, you'll get those for free. And on the webinar, we're going to be giving away 5 free copies. So join the webinar and then, we'll be giving away 5 full free copies. So make sure that you get your spot on there. Okay, so you don't have to buy anything, just join up. Make sure that you attend the webinar. If you want Super Affiliate AI, and I'm sure you will, you lock it in on there, you'll get my amazing bonus. Okay, so let's go down here. Now, so that's the webinar. Make sure that you join that. Now also, scroll right to the bottom. Down here, told you it was a big bonus. So I'm running a free mentorship competition. I'm looking for 2 people who want to change their life online. I'm going to be showing those 2 people how to become a super affiliate. Now to join, all you need to do is click here. It'll take you across to my free community. Just join up there. A video at the top. Watch that video. Tell you what to do, and then make sure that you take part. The mentorship is worth about $2,000. It's a full year's mentorship. 2 very lucky people are going to win that. So make sure that you take part. So join the webinar, take part in the competition, and make sure that you get your downloads. I've got 2 parts to the downloads. So this is part 1. As you can see, lots of downloads here. We've got some great downloads right down here. Okay, so everything here. Now, also, we're going to have a second part to the free downloads. So that'll be happening about 2 days before the 26th. They'll be released about the 24th. So make sure that you keep checking out this page. Oh, in all, you got nearly 40 downloads being released. Some brand new, never been seen before. So make sure that you claim those. Okay. So join the webinar. Happening on the 26th of May, 10 AM Eastern Standard. Lock in Super Affiliate AI and that you'll get my bonus. If you don't want to, which I'm sure you're going to, make sure that you join because you'll get those 2 free gifts and a chance of winning one of the copies. Okay, and also make sure that you take part in my competition. Now let me quickly show you my bonuses, and then I'm going to jump inside the bonuses so you can see what those bonuses are all about. Now, I'm only going to show these top few. We'll go back up here somewhere. Right to the top. So the first one is the Done For You AI apps. Now we've got 4 brand new AI apps, never been out before, and really good apps as well, and I'm going to show you in a moment. So with this bonus, we will install all 4 apps. We will give you and rebrand your sales pages. We'll give you the full marketing packs. They're all going to be handed back to you, ready to sell. Okay? So it's 4 apps. I'm going to show you the apps in a moment. Now, we've done these apps a little bit different. So you've got 2 ways to sell them. You don't have to sell them just the one way with, giving access to keys, etc. You've got 2 ways. So you can use your own API key, so you can pay, your users can pay monthly, or you can use just their own key, so the users can add in their own key. So you've got 2 ways. So you'll use your key to pay monthly, use their own key to pay a one-time fee. Okay, so perfect to choose which way you want. full white label rights, so you've got rebranding, sales material, everything that you need. And we've got 4 apps fully installed, ready to go. Okay, now these are the apps. AI Proof Builder. Now this creates kind of like recent purchase notifications, things like that, lead capture pop-ups, sales counters. You've seen them in action, but this is full AI as well. Okay, so built in, and as I said, I'm going to show you in a minute, you've got a notification message writer, campaign recommendations, lead capture copy generator, urgency message generator, testimonial writer, campaign optimizer. Okay, so everything is included, and I'm going to show you inside in a moment. Now, not only do you get white label rights, you get a full personal copy with unlimited credits. So the credits is already built in. Use it as you want. Then we've got Campaign Closer. Now, Campaign Closer is a full system to help you plan, build, and optimize and improve complete marketing campaigns. Okay? So you got everything in here, from campaign strategies, marketing angles, lead magnet ideas, sales page copy, 5 to 10 email campaigns. Everything is included. And you've also got 3 different agents. So you've got the strategy agent, you've got the content agent, and you've got the optimization agent. Okay, so everything is included. And on top of that, you've also got the white label rights, full personal rights with the unlimited credits as well. And then you've got Funnel Forge. Now, Funnel Forge will build out a full funnel. So it'll build you the lead magnet and the lead magnet offer, the gift as well, the copy, fully format the pages, do the thank you pages, 5-part email sequence, monetization ideas, funnel strategy, viral headlines, CTAs, and hashtags. Okay, all done, completely ready to go. Now, on top of that, you get white label access. You get the full personal rights again with all the unlimited credits. Then we've got Traffic Campaign Agent. Now this helps you build a traffic campaign. Full promotion angles, lead generation ideas, social content, email hooks, everything that you need to build your own traffic campaign is built in. And again, you get full personal rights as well included, you get white label access, and you get the unlimited credits as well. And what it does, it actually pulls real trending hooks. Okay, so then we've got Funnel SaaS. This is a complete video signals funnel. Now everything's included in that. Just have a look down here. You've got the video signal system. You've got the video signal publisher, video signal affiliate upgrade, video signal publisher reseller version. Then we've got Ad Create Engine, we've got Campaign Closer, Composer AI PLR, Social Pulse PLR, Smart Personalizer AI, Crash Course Affiliate Marketing, Easy Affiliate Marketing, Supreme Affiliate Marketing, AI Automation Blueprint, AI Automation, the video course. Then we've got JVZoo Domination. This is a course I did all about how I kind of build affiliate campaigns. Then we've got the JVZoo Success Scheduler PLR edition. That's full white label as well. Affiliate Link Monitor PLR edition. Affiliate Marketing Gains. So as you can see, this is a huge bonus. It's not to be beat. You know, you need to lock this in if you want those 4 apps fully built, ready to go. Now those apps are brand new, and I'm going to show you inside them now. Okay, so remember, join the webinar 26th of May, 10 AM Eastern Standard. Make sure that you join my competition because it's well worth locking in, you know, a mentorship with me for a full year. Okay guys, so let me show you inside the 4 apps. Now this is the first one. This is a Proofly one. Now the proof one is where you create little proof widgets. Now this has got full AI built in here. I'm going to show you that in a moment. So let me show you what you can do. So you can create a campaign. So you give the campaign a name. So let's call this test. Choose the website URL it's going to display on. Then you can choose the notification type. So you've got recent purchase, recent sign up, live visitor count, sales counter, lead, capture pop-up, review testimonial, countdown notification, limited availability alert, and customer announcement. Now, so if you want to be active, you can switch it on and off. Then you can add different things in here, like for names if you want, locations, products that they've purchased, etc. And you can just change where it says just purchased. Then you can have a call to action button, so you can button text, and like you can have your like kind of affiliate offer there if you wanted to. Then you can design, you know, the custom little pop-up. You can change the colour, the text colours, button text, etc. And then you can do the display rules, so you can show bottom left, bottom right, top left, top right, and you can show the delay before show, so you can show it after 3 seconds. Then it'll hide after, let's say 20 seconds. And then you can set it to scroll when it gets a percentage down. Display frequency, every visit, once per visit, once ever. Then devices and pages, so you can actually target just certain pages. You can also trigger an on exit intent. Then once you've done it, you just save your campaign. So then you can collect leads as well. You've got full analytics here. You've got the AI assistant, so you've got the notification writer, so you can create your notifications via AI. You've got your campaign recommender. You've got the lead capture copy. You've got urgency messages, testimonial writer, and you've got the campaign optimizer as well, so you can optimize different campaigns. So it'll suggest and analyze, look at the campaign and suggest improvements there. Okay, so really nice and easy to use system. So make sure that you lock in my bonus. You'll be able to sell this as your own. Okay, so let's move to the next one. This is the Funnel Forge. This creates full funnels. You choose your niche, topic, target audience, product, and then you choose the platform that you're going to target, and then you've got different tones. So go back to the history. So you can create multiple funnels. Once you've created those, you've got the full strategy, you've got the outline of the funnel, the landing copy, landing page, thank you page formatted, you've got emails, you've got the monetization part, you've got the full funnel, and you've got the viral section as well. So I'll just show you how it works. Just click generate funnel. It takes about 30 to 90 seconds to do. So it uses OpenAI and Anthropic. Anthropic builds the pages. So just let this finish. Got full history as well, and don't forget, because if you purchase my bonus you'll get this, you'll actually have the credits already installed, so you don't need to put any keys in or anything like that. Everything comes as is. So you've got the strategy, you've got the outline, you've got the landing copy, you've got the landing page copy, you've got the thank you page copy and fully formatted as well. You've got the emails, you've got the monetization strategy, the full funnel, and the viral sections as well. Okay, so once you've got this lead magnet here, you can actually generate the lead magnet, and it'll create the lead magnet. You can download it and use it. And this is, you know, as I said, you've no keys to put in. You can resell this, we'll rebrand it, you can resell it as your own. Then we'll go back over here, we've got traffic campaign agent. So this will actually fully build a full traffic campaign. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So this it pulls real trending topics. So it builds your content, you know, your traffic. You can monetize it there. You've got campaigns as well, and you've got viral, you know, hashtags, call to action. These are real ones. These aren't kind of made up by the AI or anything. That this links to real viral hashtags, real trends. Then we've got the campaign closer. Now this is again full AI system. You've got different agents in this. You've got the strategy agent, the content agent, and the optimization agent. So you'll just go over to my campaigns. So I'll show you this. So we've got the strategy. You've got a sales copy that it builds. You've got the lead magnet again. You've got email sequence, social posts, video scripts. You've got the metrics as well. So open rate, click-through rate, conversion rate, and full details here. This is how to build 100 leads using for JVZoo, email marketing, and the Tones Professional. Then I'll go to the AI tools. You've got competitor analysis, so it'll look at different competitors, and then it'll look at how you can kind of maximize on those. And you've got voice learning, so what this will do, if you put in your voices, like your writing, things like that, it'll learn how you write your campaign, so it'll like copy those and it'll be in your own voice. Then you've got offer architect, and what this will do, it'll create a full like stack for your offer. So if you've built like kind of a lead offer, you're building leads, this will build the stack out. Okay, so all these 4 apps, you get full access, you know, unlimited credits, you get white label rights, we'll do the install, we'll do the setup, you can sell these as your own. Okay, and then you've got all those other bonuses as well. So huge offer, not to be missed. Make sure that you lock this in. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.